Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the analysis of 5th of January 2018. Okay guys, I'm giving a bit early review. Most of the signals have reacted as per the signals report, and you know that this is Friday, and I also try to avoid the second session of the day, because you know that mostly the second session of the day on Friday is mostly tricky. So that's the signal report that I've sent to the subscribers in the morning. In case of Euro USD, I had a bearish expectation. 120,690 was the possible entry in case of Euro USD, and as you can see that the market has taken a smaller U-turn, and after that we have seen a very good drop on Euro USD. It's way down from the levels, and if I switch my chart to the 4-hour, then guys, just make sure that you should understand this thing. The price is already moved so much high, so that is not wise to buy the pair at these levels. Even on the daily chart, if you look at here, it's at the maximum. So if you follow my videos, you know that I mostly talk about this thing, that we are not going to take any interest in buying the pair when the price is already very high. So we do not care if the Euro USD goes up from these levels, but still we do not show any interest in buying the pair. So be careful with this. This is most dangerous to take a buy position at these levels. Okay, now let's talk about another satisfied signal on Great Britain Pound USD. This is the third signal of my signals report. So guys, I was expecting a drop. You know that I was bullish yesterday. I was not able to give the analysis yesterday, but I was bullish on Great Britain Pound USD yesterday. Yesterday we have taken a complete advantage of the upward trend, but today I was not expecting a further upward trend, so I have turned into bearish. 135,765 was the entry, and guys, if you compare the hours after sending the signals report, then you will find that in the 4 hours Great Britain Pound USD has completely went down as per the signals report, and the targeted price was 135,231, and it exactly hit the level, and right now it's rebounding from the levels, but overall we are done with our signal. Okay, a different signal was supplied in case of USD CHF. I had a bullish expectation from some days on that particular pair, so I have supplied the bullish expectation for today, 097472, and guys, it has clearly taken a U-turn, and that was a proper U-turn, and then after that it has a break, and USD CHF has finally gone down. I was talking about that in my videos, that when the price goes down, then we can expect another upward momentum from that level. This is how the market flows naturally. If it does not mean that once the pair is going down, it will always keep on going down. No, we definitely get some chances to take a trade in a bullish way. So that's a very good satisfied signal. So overall guys, if you have traded the signal as per the signals report, then you should be in very good profits. Okay, now let's talk about another satisfied signal of the day is USD Canadian dollar. I have supplied a bullish signal. 124,943 was the possible entry, and guys, you can see that the entry was break 4 hours ago, and if you have taken the trade on that pair, then you should be fine. It is already way down from some days, but overall now we are expecting a bounce back from these levels. Even on the daily chart, if you look at here, the candle has started to go bullish, and hopefully we will expect a further upward momentum on USD Canadian dollar. Okay, let's talk about the final pair of the day till now is Great Britain Pound JPY. This signal isn't fully expired. 153458 is the entry, and guys, it has already break the entry. You can see that it has already touched that level, and after that we are expecting a downward trend. So guys, if I switch my chart to the 4-hour and even on the daily chart, then you will find the price has gone to maximum, where we cannot show any interest in buying the pair, like I have talked about this thing in case of Euro USD. So guys, note down this signal. If you want to trade the Great Britain Pound JPY at your own risk, then please note that I have a bearish expectation for the day. 153458 is the entry, and already it breaks the entry, and if it continues to go down like this, then the next level can be 152352. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis, and AUD USD, New Zealand USD is bearish from my side. Right now the U-turn is not taken at the moment. If it takes a U-turn, then definitely you can sell the pair. So guys, if you're looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get the trading system, if you want to improve your trading technique through my lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, then you need to email me on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.